Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today our video is about how to change wall cover gasket on BMW 328 2011 model. So let's start it. First of all, to remove all this you need to unbolt these 4 screw over there and you can pop it out. And to open this engine cover we need an Allen key. There are 4 bolts over there which we have to remove. So let's start it. So once you are done with removing the engine cover and the cabin air filter housing over there, right, so you have to remove these ignition coils step by step. And to open this up you have to just pop that out and unplug that one. So once you unplug all them you can just pull it out like this, and that's our eccentric shaft actuator. So we are changing the seal of this one. You can see the leakage over there, so we have to open this up. So once you are done with all the things, we have to lose these wires. To lose these wires we have to open that one, right? You can see the locks over there. Let's see, you can just pull it forward and you can take it out, and then we can remove all these ones so that it get loose and we have enough space to open our bolt. There is a one pipe over there, you can just squeeze it and just push it backward and it will come out. You can see over there. And then we have to open all these bolts, right? We have some of them over there behind the harness. You can see over there the car is still leaking. And then after removing all the bolt we can pop it out. So let's remove all the bolts. And to open this bolt you can use 8mm socket to remove all the bolts. Guys, once you are done with these bolts, right, we can use a flat screwdriver and put it over and try to lift our gasket cover slowly, because it's plastic, so make sure you don't put too much pressure, otherwise it will break. Okay guys, yeah, so quick update, we already take it the wall cover from this, open all the screws, and once you take it out you have to remove that rubber from there. So you can see the lines, rubber was there right here, you can see. So we already take it out because it was leaking and it gets so hard, as you can see, and it's cracking so bad. See, so that's supposed to be soft and that is hard right now. That's why my car was leaking oil. So once you guys take it out, make sure you clean that area with a cloth, right, and remove all the plugs and clean the oil from these tubes so that your plugs fit perfectly and car doesn't misfire. Make sure you take them, all of them out, and you can take them out with a 17 number bit, right, or socket. You can use it to take your plug out, and make sure you clean all the area, all the outside, so that your new seal fits properly on this. So guys, once installing new gasket in the cover, so we have to put these screws back and tighten them. And if you guys want to know how much torque we required, it's written over there, 8.6 Newton meter. So guys, once you are done with putting that back and tightening the bolt, you can put everything back as you open. So that's all, and thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.